Hello, welcome to Adventures and Pop-Ups. I am Rachel. This is where you come for tips, tricks, hacks, and mods, campsite reviews to help your pop-up camping and camping adventures more awesome. Today, we have a little issue that we need to work through. If you saw our organizational hack video with our funky cabinet, it still is a good hack. However, we had issues. This extreme hold, all-weather, powerful double sticky tape that was supposed to hold pounds and pounds. I used plenty of it. I used more than should be for the weight that I was expecting. However, in the summer weather, it did not hold up. I'm sure our camper probably got over 100 degrees when we were not using it in the driveway, and we are having some issues with it sticking. So while the organization part of it is good, we need a backup plan. The backup plan is staples. We'll see how this goes. All right, I think it went pretty well. I added about 20 staples. When I did it on the door, I knew that it was not going to be too thin, so I wasn't too worried about it going all the way through, but it didn't. The staples did not go all the way through, so that was a winner. I just reinforced it every spot that looked good, across the bottom and in the middle, and now this is way more secure. A lot more long lasting. And now in the middle, I had a little bit of a challenge because with that particle board being so thin, I knew that a staple would go right through it. So I used the main staples I put in where there's a crossbar, so I knew that was going to be much thicker and have more to grab into. So I put staples across here, and then in a couple of places I did add a staple where I knew it would punch through. I put one right here and right here. And then on the other side, I kind of pushed it back a little bit. I know I could have used a shim or something, but honestly, I just wanted to get it done. And spoiler alert, we're probably going to make over the camper next year, so I'm going to be covering it with something else anyway. So this is looking gorgeous. I'm excited. I can't wait for our next camping adventure, and this is going to keep us organized. This is, of course, our station where we grab things: bug spray, sunblock, disinfectant wipes, trash, pens, pencils, all the quick grabs, a lighter, bug zapper. You need the bug zapper. You need it right inside the door. So we needed a place that it would be nice and organized for quick grabs and not juggling through and trying to figure out where you stashed something. This keeps everything easily accessible. It's easy to see, it's easy to grab, it's easy to put back where you found it. Yeah. Thank you for watching Adventures and Pop-Ups. This is our little update to our organizational hack for our funky cabinet. If you missed that video, check it out. You can check out any of our other videos too. We have meal planning ideas, tips and tricks, hacks and mods, camping adventures, campsite reviews, all kinds of things for pop-up camping for your camping adventures. I hope to see you next time. We come out with new videos every Monday, sometimes more. And happy trails and happy camping to you.